Sometimes we have separate shapefiles that we would like to be contained in one single shapefile. For instance, in this tutorial, we will merge two shapefiles representing different sized airports into one. To combine these files, we use a merge. In ArcGIS Online, navigate to Analysis, then Manage Data, then Merge Layers. Here we have 4 steps we need to complete. The layers that you want to merge can be in any order. So here, we'll select the first one, which is 1 million people or more that use these airports. The second will be this US airport's 100,000 to 999,000. Step 3 will keep the default settings as they are, although if you select this, you'll see there are options, but we'll keep it simple. And then here for the result layer name, you definitely want to name it something that will be easy for you to remember in the future. So I'll call this Merge USA Airport Layers. Then run the analysis. And the analysis is complete. We can see that the merged layer now has 212 airports listed in it. You've now successfully merged 2 files into one.